Welcome to Recon's Powerful Podcast, where we discuss new topics and products. I'm Jeff Deutschman, your product moderator. From a quarter watt up to 1,000 watts, whether the power is required for an industrial setting, a new IoT gadget, or a high-end medical-grade device, Recon has you covered. On this episode, we'll be talking about the hidden value of power modules. So, Peter, how do Recon power supplies benefit our customers?
Yeah, so first of all, power modules are going to be the fastest way for engineers to complete the power portion of their circuit. Obviously, developing an equivalent solution consumes time and effort.
That is true. And very often, power is the last step for many of our customers.
Exactly, Jeff. Typically, engineers have higher priority focuses and are trying to get their actual application to run correctly.
But let's not sell these engineers short. Many are more than capable of designing their own discrete solutions.
Our customers are talented engineers who are able to design their own switching power circuit. But it's hard to say whether those efforts are worth it, especially when a reliable Recon product is ready to go.
Yeah, good point. We definitely can help customers get their product to market very quickly. How much design work is it to include a Recon power supply?
Very little, Jeff. The high majority of our converters require no external components, so most of the heavy lifting is already taken care of.
Fantastic. Let's talk about cost. Often, a discrete solution looks cheaper than a module, but why is that?
So it's not really accurate to do a one-to-one price comparison because there's a lot of hidden value that comes with the Recon module.
Right, total cost of ownership, correct? And what might be overlooked?
So having our parts pre-certified is definitely a big one. The certification process is a necessary step that can be very expensive and time-consuming.
So there's a lot of time and money that can be saved. So what about sourcing? That's another hidden value, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We obviously have to take care of all the component sourcing for our modules, so we're always making sure we have backup sources to meet all of our orders.
Excellent. So the customer is only sourcing one part number versus many. Any other technical value we're bringing that might be overlooked?
Yeah, another value we bring is our EMC team. So it's very difficult to resolve EMI-related issues, so they're a good group to have around.
So they help with the design to make sure our parts come EMC compliant?
Yep, exactly. Most of our parts are EMC compliant right off the shelf. The EMC team is also there to support customers and even make recommendations for their PCB layout to help eliminate noise.
Outstanding. That's definitely a valuable service we can provide free of charge.
Yeah, and lastly, just want to say that Recon brings an experienced team dedicated to support customers in all stages of the design process. So from selecting a part all the way to the final certification, we're available every step of the way to help out our customers.
Excellent. Peter, thank you so much for sharing your insight this morning. Well, that wraps it up for another episode of Recon's Powerful Podcast. Be sure to listen next time when we delve into the pros of another Recon topic. As always, please contact your regional sales manager for any samples or pricing. Our applications engineers are always happy to assist you with any technical questions or requests. You can email them at techsupport@recon-power.com. Until then, have a great day and always remember,
Recon powers your products.